Welcome to my channel. So today we'll see what is primary key, then what is not null, and then auto increment and foreign key. So with the help of this you can use this primary key in create table command, and you can use it in the MySQL. So we'll write what is primary key first. Primary key is a key which is uniquely identifies the table record. Okay, so we can take ID as a primary key. Okay, so ID, roll number, we can take that as a primary key. Why we can take that as a primary key? Because the name name can be repeated. There can be two girls having name Sneha. Yes, and ID is something which is very unique. Okay, two people cannot have same ID. Like for example, you can take Aadhaar card. Two people cannot have same Aadhaar card number. Yes, okay. But two people and the having Aadhaar card can have same name. Yes, so we will take ID, which is very unique in our table. We will take that as a primary key. Okay, so you should make that only as a primary key. Name and college name, all that you cannot use as a primary key. Now we will see foreign key. What is foreign key? Foreign key is mainly used for linking two tables. Okay, if I want to link two tables, one table is student, another table is this college. So I have to link this two tables, the students who are there in the college. So I have to link these two tables. So how I will link the ID of the student and the college ID. I can link that two tables. Okay, so foreign key is over. Then is not null. So it is used in a column where the value should not be null. Okay, so not null is mentioned there where the value should not be null. ऐसा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए कि वहाँ पे कोई भी value नहीं डाली है. Okay, then auto increment. So what is the use of auto increment? So auto increment is mainly used for the roll numbers. For example, means I am taking for the roll number. For example, roll number 1. After that, it will come 2. So in auto increment, you don't have to write 1, then 2, then 3. Only if you have mentioned auto increment, then it will be automatically increasing, and you don't have to mention it. Okay. So you can write auto increment near your roll number, or in the ID also we can write auto increment. So that you have to don't do the donkey work writing 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you can use auto increment for that thing. Okay. So auto increment roll number 1, 2.